Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. Today I am at the open house of 10878 in that St. Andrews Drive here in the beautiful promenade section of Triple Crown subdivision in Union, Kentucky. I'll be here from 1 till 3 today. This home offers 2 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 car garage, a beautiful deck, and there is no homes backing up to this. You have a view of woods and a little bit of a pond area over here, which is nice and relaxing. There is a bonus room downstairs that could easily be turned into a 3rd bedroom. It also offers the laundry room on the main level. So it's truly no step living here. If you have any questions or would love to see this beautiful condo here in Triple Crown, please reach out to me, 859-393-4879, or you can drop me a line at kennys@nkyhomes.com. Hey, I look forward to talking to you.